In parts 1 to 5, we told you the story of the worst journey in the world. In 1911, Edward Wilson, Henry Bowers and Cherry Garrard walked 216 kilometres through the Antarctic night in temperatures as low as minus 61 degrees Celsius. Why did they do it? For scientific knowledge. What happened next? 6 months after they collected the penguin eggs, Dr. Edward Wilson and Lieutenant Henry Bowers reached the South Pole with expedition leader Robert Scott and 2 other men, Titus Oates and Edgar Evans. All of them died on the return journey. They ran out of food in a 9-day blizzard and froze to death in their tent. Roald Amundsen's Norwegian expedition reached the pole 1 month before them. Cherry Garrard returned to Britain and presented the 3 eggs to the Natural History Museum in London. He survived the First World War and published the book The Worst Journey in the World in 1922. Science has made huge progress over the last 100 years. We now know that penguins are not the link between dinosaurs and birds, as scientists once thought. In fact, they evolved from flying birds. Because of this, the eggs that Wilson, Bowers and Garrard suffered so much to get do not tell us much about the evolution of birds from dinosaurs. We also know from satellite photography that there are about 45 colonies of emperor penguins in Antarctica, with a total population of 595,000 birds. The number of penguins at each colony fluctuates over the years. Scientists working in Antarctica today are much better equipped and supported than Edward Wilson was in 1911. But there is still much to learn about emperor penguins. Despite their isolated home, these penguins, and all Antarctic wildlife, are at risk from climate change, industrial-scale fishing, and tourism. Penguin and I hope you enjoyed this fireside chat. Goodbye.